So I'm going to share my secret weapon for management here. And that's something that I've been using for years. And I've been quite successful with it. And it was actually inspired by one of the toughest manager I had when I was a young manager. And that person had a simple rule. You can come to me with anything, project, vision, ideas, but you never come to me with a problem. And I tried. I tried at the beginning, and then I was turned away quite rapidly. The person answer was, you have a problem. I don't have a problem. Go around, fix it. That's what I'm paying you for. And as a manager, of course, as a young manager, when you want to prove yourself, so you find those solutions. And I also gained confidence in myself that, oh, I can solve the problems. That actually inspired me to do this rule afterwards with all the teams that I took over or the new people that joined my teams. The rule was you can come to me with any problem you want if and only if you have three solutions. Not one, not two, three solutions. And it was a bit difficult at first because people were skeptical and struggled to find more than one or two solutions, but they learned to cooperate with each other, to ask questions around. And when they came with those solutions, we had a much meaningful meetings, and then it actually became a coaching sessions as opposed to a meeting, because we look at the problem, but we also look into the thought process behind the solution, and even to a point to ask the question, why, what solution would you take and why? And once we had this alignment of thought process, then they didn't need to come to me anymore. They had developed the process of finding their own solutions, had the answer, had the decision-making process all integrated. So what this process does, the benefit, actually two benefits. The first one is it free up your time. As a manager, you are bombarded every day with issues and problem and things you get involved with you shouldn't be. And when you have more free time, you can actually dedicate yourself in leading the team better, having a vision, and driving the business forwards. That's what you're hiring for. The second benefit, the most important one, is actually raise the level of happiness in the team tenfold, because you show them that you trust them. You show them that you can empower them, and they discover that they have much better problem solving skills that they thought they had. So all of this actually raise up the value of the team overall, both into a management side and the direct report side. So that's something that I've implemented. I never stopped doing it, and I highly recommend it when I coach teams or organization into leadership. That's one rule that I try to implement, is the rule of three. One problem, three solutions, and you'll be surprised how quick the number of problems in your organization decrease, because people can find solution much quicker.